animal and their babies.
The rainbow train comes slowly today. It stops gently along the way. The doors open wide and bright. Animals are ready for a ride. Let us meet them one by one. Here comes a rabbit, soft and white. The rabbit walks calmly in the light. Walking beside the rabbit, small and funny. The baby is called a bunny. The rabbit and the bunny go inside the train. A gentle cow walks near. The cow moves slowly without fear. Walking beside the cow, small and calm. The baby is called a calf. The cow and the calf go inside the train. A strong lion walks with pride. The lion looks carefully side to side. Walking beside the lion, brave but small. The baby is called a calf. A tiger and a calf go inside the train. A tiger walks steady and strong. The stripes are bright and long. Walking beside the tiger, soft and small. The baby is called a calf. A tiger and a calf go inside the train. A pretty cat walks along. The tail moves as the cat goes on. Following gently step by step. The baby is a kitten. The cat and the kitten go inside the train. A big elephant walks with care. The trunk lifts in the air. Walking beside the elephant with tiny feet. The baby is called a calf. The elephant and the calf go inside the train. A zebra walks with stripes so neat. Black and white from head to feet. Walking beside the zebra, young and small. The baby is called a foal. A tall giraffe bends down low. The long neck moves slow. Standing close and lambing call. The baby is called a calf. A big bear walks calmly by. The bear looks gentle and a little shy. Walking beside the bear, soft and warm. The baby is called a cub. The duck walks near the gate. The duck moves slowly and does not wait. Following close with tiny feet. The baby is a duckling.